Hi, Tutu. Are you eating spaghetti? Are you twisting your spaghetti? And put it in your mouth. You missed all of them. Yeah, I know. Uh-oh. Put it in your mouth. Yeah, that's better, huh? Is it yummy? Is it yummy? Is it yummy? Mmm. It's a yummy, yummy. Yeah, milk. Ooh. See, the typical baby, huh? Eating spaghetti with milk. Good. Some more milk? Say please. Yeah, milk. Okay, I'll get you in a minute, okay? Yeah. Oh yeah, you got another milk. Can you put this milk in the cup, please? Please, Daddy. Hi.
Sure. Hi.
Daddy works all the time. Ooh, it's full milk. Whew. You think can you make it? You drink it by yourself. Both hands, please. Both hands. Leave your fork. No, I said both hands. Tomaka. Good job. Yeah. It's good, huh? You got a great apron. You can get dirty and then you can wash it off. Is it yummy? Good boy. I supposed to use spoon. The spoons and spaghetti doesn't work together. Oh yeah. Good job. Good job. Say bye-bye. Oh, nice kiss. Bye-bye.